we have a huge, long history with you guys. We were some of the first members of Electric Cooking Council, and you all helped us bring this technology to market. Probably one of the first people anyway, but it's CVap Technology, and that stands for Controlled Vapor. And Controlled Vapor, actually what's unique about it is that it understands that food is water, and it behaves like water when it's heated. So our ovens create a back pressure against evaporation that gives you specific control of food temperature, while at the same time allowing you to control the rate of browning or texturing on your product. So whether you're holding or cooking, you're going to be able to have that product precisely where you want it for an extended amount of time. So that's the technology. We did something really fun with it. There's a big trend of everybody wanting to do their own curing and everything. I have a friend who has a marvelous lamb farm in Kentucky. It's Freedom Run Farms, and we were trying to find a way to promote her products. And us dealing with chefs and knowing that we're really trying to find new ways to cure, we thought that we would create a lamb ham, which is indigenous to Kentucky. It's been going on for hundreds of years, but hasn't been done probably in about 100 years. So we cured this traditionally, and then we hot smoked it in the C-Vap. And the smoking attachment is a new product for us this year. It's all electric. And the C-Vap, what helped with this process, when you have a moist environment, you're going to be able to get more smoke onto the product. And at the same time, we're keeping it right at 155 degrees, which is the perfect smoking temperature for lamb. So, first on Georgia Power's website, right?
Exactly.
Thank you guys for stopping by.